What color is this?
Green. Today we are going to play with this kinetic sand. It has 10 tools in it. Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
What's inside?
Let us see. Inside the box, we have two different colored kinetic sand, a red and a blue. All these different toys to play with the sand and this manual to tell you how to use the different toys. Okay, you're ready to open up the sand and play?
Yeah.
Okay, let us try opening the sand and see what it does. The box has two different colored sands. What colors do they have?
Blue and red.
Blue and red. And look at it, it is so mushy and gooey, and you can make it and break it, and you can, and it, how does it feel?
Mushy.
It feels very mushy and it is gooey.
What is it called?
It is called kinetic sand. Look at how it breaks. Look. Ooh. That's so funny.
And gooey.
And gooey. Okay, let's try and use some of the toys they gave us to see what we can do with it. Okay, let's try this one. Let's put it, you want to put the sand inside?
Yes.
Okay. Let's put all the sand inside. There we go. Okay, some more. Can take some more. Okay, and I think you can fill it all the way up. Put a little bit more of the sand and fill it all the way up.
How about?
Yeah, good. Okay. Yay!
What did I make?
You have made a dome, a bowl. Yes. Let's
A
try
sea
this.
bowl.
Let's try this one. Okay. Yeah. You can fill all the sand inside the tool, and then we can explore the different shapes it makes.
Cool.
Yeah. There you go. Look, it has made a beautiful shape.
Can I put it all here?
Okay, you want to try another time? There you go. Look, it's slicing it. Let's see that.
Here's some cake.
Yes. Okay.
It's mushy.
You want to try this?
Oh, I think so.
Okay, let's put it in and see what it makes.
It looks like a cupcake.
It looks like a cupcake. Okay.
What did I do?
You sliced it.
Now can I rub it?
Okay.
Can I slice it?
Yes, you can.
And if I slice it, it will become like a cheese ball.
It looks like a cheese ball. To make it more playful, we have this box which has 10 kinetic sands of different colors. So we can have much more fun. What color is this?
Brown.
Brown.
Shall I? Can I mush it?
Yes.
What shall I do?
Okay, mush it. Okay. What color is this?
Green.
Let's open this. What color is it?
Pink. So let me move it.
Yes. Here's this one.
Red.
That is red.
What's all of this slime?
That is kinetic sand.
White. Where shall I put it?
You can put it anywhere you want. Here's another one.
Let's pull it out.
Yes, what color is this one? What color is this sand?
Blue.
It's a blue. Okay. Here is a new color for us to explore.
Can it go?
Yes, you can put it. Here, Mama make some space for you. How about here? What color do you see?
Yellow.
This is yellow.
This is yellow.
This is yellow. Okay. Wow, a new color.
Another time of brown.
That's another kind of brown.
It's brown.
Sit down, sweetie. Sit down. Sit down.
Brown again.
That's another brown?
No, a
Yeah.
purple.
A purple?
What happened?
You have kinetic sand. And here's our 10th color. What color is this?
Turquoise.
That's turquoise. What color is it?
Turquoise.
That's turquoise. Wow. Now we have so many colored kinetic sands that we could use all these toys to play with. Okay, what do you want to do? Try that one.
No.
No? Okay. There. Now you can take it out. And it's a cylinder.
Well, slide too. What do we do with it?
Okay, you could slice it.
There.
Did you enjoy this kinetic sand exploring tools?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to play some more?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep on playing.
Let's have some more fun.
Let's have more fun.
How about with this one?
Yes,
So I feel.
you fill a color.
I like purple.
Okay.